The wait is over. After years of speculation, countless rumor threads, leaked prototype images, and a growing chorus of Fujifilm loyalists begging for the next chapter in the X Pro story, the Fujifilm X Pro 4 has officially been unveiled. This isn't just another camera release. It's a statement piece in a digital photography landscape dominated by high speed, high resolution, and hybrid shooting machines. The X Pro series has always been unique, unapologetically catering to those who value tactile controls, an optical viewfinder, and a slower, more deliberate photographic process. Now, with the X Pro 4, Fujifilm has redefined what a modern rangefinder-style mirrorless camera can be, while staying true to its retro-inspired DNA. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll explore every major detail, from the redesigned hybrid viewfinder and improved sensor to the AI-driven autofocus, film simulation enhancements, and street photography-focused design tweaks. We'll also look at how it compares to the X Pro 3, where it fits in Fujifilm's current X-series lineup, and why this might be one of the most important releases for creative professionals and enthusiasts in 2025. Before diving into the X Pro 4, it's worth revisiting what made the X Pro lineup so iconic in the first place. The original X Pro 1, released in 2012, was a bold statement from Fujifilm, a hybrid viewfinder camera that combined the charm of analog rangefinders with the capabilities of modern digital sensors. The X Pro 2 refined the formula with better autofocus, weather sealing, and a beefier sensor. Then came the X Pro 3, which polarized photographers with its hidden LCD design. Some loved the pure viewfinder shooting experience, while others missed the immediacy of reviewing shots on the fly. The X Pro series has always been less about raw technical dominance and more about a philosophy of photography, slowing down, engaging with the scene, and making each frame count. The X Pro 4 carries that ethos forward but updates the technology to meet the demands of modern shooters who need speed, connectivity, and versatility without sacrificing the unique Fujifilm shooting experience. Here's a quick rundown of the confirmed Fujifilm X Pro 4 specifications. Sensor: 40.2 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor. Processor: X Processor 5 with AI-powered subject detection. Viewfinder: Advanced Hybrid Viewfinder, OVF plus EVF, with higher refresh rate and better brightness. LCD: 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen with improved hinge durability. ISO range: 125 to 51,200, expandable. Shutter: mechanical up to 1/8000s, electronic up to 1/180,000s. Burst rate: up to 15 frames per second mechanical, 30 frames per second electronic. Video: 6.2K at 30p, 4K at 60p, 10-bit 4:2:2 internal. Autofocus: deep learning AI subject detection, people, animals, vehicles. Storage: dual UHS-2 SD card slots. Build: magnesium alloy, weather sealed, retro styling. Connectivity: USB-C, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2. Battery: NP W235 for extended shooting, up to 800 shots per charge. The X Pro 4 continues the signature rangefinder-inspired design that has become a hallmark of the series. Offset viewfinder, tactile metal dials, and a solid magnesium alloy body that feels like it could survive a decade of daily use. However, Fujifilm has made subtle refinements to the ergonomics. The grip is slightly deeper, improving comfort for long shooting sessions without compromising the sleek silhouette. The shutter speed and ISO dials are still prominent and mechanical, but with smoother detents for more precise control. The hybrid viewfinder selector lever remains on the front, but it's now sturdier and has a more satisfying click. Weather sealing has been improved with better gaskets around the doors and controls, making it a reliable companion for street, documentary, and travel photographers who don't get to choose the weather. The advanced hybrid viewfinder in the X Pro 4 might be the most refined Fujifilm has ever made. With the flick of a lever, you can switch between a crisp optical viewfinder, OVF, and a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, EVF. OVF improvements: wider coverage, reduced distortion, and an overlay system that can display framing guides, exposure data, and focus peaking without obstructing the scene. EVF upgrades: a 5.76mm OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, improved color accuracy, and faster blackout recovery for smoother tracking of moving subjects. This flexibility is unmatched in the mirrorless world, allowing you to choose between the immersive, lag-free feel of an OVF and the precision framing of an EVF depending on your shooting needs. At the heart of the X Pro 4 is the 40.2 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor, borrowed from the X-H2 but fine-tuned for still photography. The extra resolution allows for incredible detail, making it ideal for landscape, street, and editorial work where cropping flexibility is valuable. Fujifilm has also refined its color science, with new film simulations like Reala ACE and enhanced tonal range in classic profiles like Provia, Velvia, and Classic Chrome. Dynamic range is noticeably better, with cleaner shadows at higher ISOs and smoother highlight roll-off, making it a formidable tool for both JPEG shooters and RAW post-processing enthusiasts. One of the biggest upgrades is the deep learning AI autofocus system powered by the X Processor 5. The X Pro 4 can now detect and track not just faces and eyes, but also animals, birds, cars, motorcycles, trains, and even drones. Low-light AF performance has improved significantly, locking onto subjects at -7 EV with astonishing accuracy. This means street photographers can now shoot confidently at night without hunting or missed focus. While the X Pro series has never been primarily aimed at videographers, the X Pro 4 offers serious video specs for those who want to dabble in filmmaking. With 6.2K 30p and 4K 60p recording in 10-bit 4:2:2 internal, plus f/log2 for expanded dynamic range, it's more than capable of handling professional video projects. The camera also supports external recording over HDMI, making it possible to pair with an Atomos or Blackmagic monitor/recorder for even higher quality output. Using the larger NP-W235 battery, the X Pro 4 can deliver up to 800 shots per charge, making it far more efficient than its predecessor. USB-C PD charging is supported, so you can top up with a power bank while on the move. Connectivity has also been upgraded, with Wi-Fi 6 for faster image transfers, Bluetooth 5.2 for always-on pairing, and improved tethering support for studio workflows. The Fujifilm X Pro 4 is available starting September 2025, with a retail price of $2,199, body only. A special graphite edition will be released later in the year, featuring a premium finish and matching accessories. The Fujifilm X Pro 4 isn't trying to be the fastest, cheapest, or most feature-packed camera on the market. Instead, it doubles down on what makes the X Pro line special: a tactile, immersive shooting experience paired with modern imaging power. For street photographers, it's arguably the best camera you can buy right now. For travel shooters, it's compact yet powerful. And for Fujifilm fans, it's the long-awaited update that keeps the spirit of the X Pro alive while future-proofing it for years to come. If you want, I can also make a full SEO keyword-optimized YouTube video script version of this so it works for spoken delivery instead of blog style. That